Alright everybody, today we are talking about capitalization rules, so let's get right into it. First things first, we gotta cover these editing symbols that I'm going to be using in this PowerPoint. So, if there's an uppercase letter that should be made lowercase, we do a slash. If there is a lowercase letter that should be made uppercase, we do 3 little lines underneath. Alright, so let's get right into talking about these rules. So the first rule for when do I capitalize is to start a sentence. So, as you can see, this little T right here to start the sentence, the football team won last night's game. I'm going to add our editing symbol to show that that should be uppercase. The letter I when in first person. The letter I is considered a word when you're talking in first person. So Harry Potter is the book series that I love. That I should be capitalized. Alright, proper nouns versus common nouns. So proper nouns should be capitalized. So first of all, we got to talk about what's the difference. Proper noun is a person, place, or thing, just like all nouns. However, it's talking about a unique entity, meaning a specific name, like Sarah, a specific planet, like Jupiter, a specific holiday, like Labor Day. Those are capitalized because they're proper nouns. Common nouns are when you're talking about general things. So, for example, if you're saying, that girl over there, that's lowercase because you're not talking about someone specific like the name Sarah. Just planet, any planet. How do you know which one? Right? And holiday. If you're saying that, it's a common noun, so it's not capitalized. Alright, capitalization when it comes to book titles is a little tricky. So, my rule that works about 95% of the time, capitalize anything but a little word. By little word, I mean all of these do not get capitalized, and prepositions as well. No capitalized. However, there is an exception to that rule that I just said, of course, is R and B are always capitalized, as well as the first and last words of the title. But if you follow the rule generally, all the words are capitalized except for those little words. You'll be right about 95% of the time. Next rule, whenever you switch speakers in a dialogue, so you can see right here, it's and it, both capitalized because they switched. Titles when you are directly speaking to someone, so you can see here doctor, mom, both capitalized. However, you can see in these italicized examples, times when you do not capitalize the same words, doctor and mom. My general rule is if you can replace the title for a name in the sentence and it still makes sense. So, what do you mean, Alex? Has anyone seen Barbara? Those make sense? Capitalized. However, the Alex that I have the flu, not capitalized, right? And last rule, when don't you capitalize? I see this a lot. Do not capitalize names of seasons. So, autumn is not capitalized. Spring is not capitalized.